Good morning, welcome back to Young Hungry. This is Sir Andy here again, guys. Do you know where I am right now? I mean a church, right? No, this is a hotel. This wonderful hotel started out as a Franciscan monastery back in the 1640. Then it slowly turned into a henequen plantation, and then it was neglected for years. And then things happened, and then recently it was just bought by a couple and turned into a boutique hotel here in Merida, Mexico. This place is gorgeous though. So let's follow me. We're gonna start at the entrance outside. This place is amazing. You have to check this place out, okay? When you come to Mexico, when you come to Merida. So let's follow me. Let's go. Hacienda Santa Cruz is included in the list of protected haciendas created by the Mexican Institution of Anthropology and History. It is also considered an intangible World Heritage Site by the state of Yucatan. Nowadays, it has been transformed into a marvelous luxury hotel. It was recently restored as to preserve a one-of-a-kind personality and character. Hacienda Santa Cruz preserves the original layout of its buildings, where it is possible to notice the old monastery, the engine room, and the beautiful chapel in its landscape. The crown of the hacienda is definitely this mid-17th century chapel. The serenity, the decor instantly transports you back in time. The chapel is open to the public, where you can admire it and feel the blend of cultures and times. So this place has really amazing history. So these rooms over here are the master suites and the junior suites. So I actually booked a double room here at the regular standard room. It's not going to be here, but I was kindly upgraded to a master suite here thanks to the person at the reception last night. I forgot his name. Very, very kind gentleman. But my room is just right over there. This is the actual place that the Franciscan monks back in the 1600s were working here, and they were living here, and it's just really nice inside. So all these rooms, they all have name. That's the Pozo. This is the master suite with the king size bed. My suite is called Carroquera. It's beautiful here, very, very beautiful. And you have this area here, so it's completely private. So you open this door here, there's a mosquito screen here, and that's where you can hang out, and that's another door. The rooms are divided into two areas. The old quarter area is the oldest portion in the complex, as it dates back to 1640. A clear majority of the suites are located in this area. The original rooms were revamped into these suites and were transformed into personally distinctive spaces, since all the suites are completely different from one another. Some of these suites have rooms enclosed by strong 13-inch walls, providing a unique experience to take the guest into a journey back to the 17th century. The second section is fairly new and located in the hacienda's main gardens. All the rooms in Hacienda Santa Cruz have a magnificent view to the beautiful gardens and private terraces. They are decorated with typical elements from the region, such as chucum and local timber, giving them an identity of their own while preserving the original Mayan charm. People are having breakfast right over there at this restaurant, just right behind that big, beautiful column there. Yeah, the column looks really ancient though. I don't know what it's for. But in this property, they have two pools, one man-made cenote. The cenote is only about 20 foot deep. It's not that deep, and it's big, but it's not that big like the natural ones. But the pools here are so beautiful. Some of the stones here, wow. Is amazing, but I'm really curious about what this huge column is. I'm just gonna go ask it. All right, that's the restaurant over there, and I just walked into this area in the back. That seems like the vestiges of the henequen plantation at the end of the 19th century are still here. You can still see a few henequen plants around here. The place is so cool. It's full of history. I see like an ancient Mayan home here, and I still see the Mayan clothing is hanging out to dry out here too. I mean, it's so nice. Whoa, there's a cemetery here. Whoa. Oh, this is like a really nice stone circle. I wonder if that's original or was recently made. Oh my God. Oh, these are very recent graves. Yeah, they all die in the 20th century and this century. Very interesting. There seems to be a little altar here. I wonder what this is for. But that looks like a tree with a face in it. That's very interesting though. These are the henequen plant. The fibers are used to make rope. They were called the green gold of Yucatan back in the 19th century. So my guess is these replica Mayan homes are here to serve a touristic purpose. You know, they're for the tourists. And as you can see, the henequens are everywhere in this property. Beautiful. Alright, let's get out. And as you can see again, this is more like an outside kitchen. This is the traditional ancient Mayan pip, P-I-B, cooking in the earth. Right here, got a wood fire kitchen. Very cool. Oh my god, is that a... Holy shit. Is that a fake? Holy crap, I think that's a wax figure. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. I thought it was a... Oh. Alright, I'm not going there. Wow. Scary. Hello? There you go. Oh my god. That's extremely scary. Please don't move. There you go. Very cool. So as you can see behind me, these are the double rooms. Every room here is different. They look different. The decoration are going to be different for every single room. So in the back here you have the double standard rooms with a queen size bed. But also some of these have terraces outside. You can hang out in the balcony. So when they remodeled this hacienda, they kept the original layout of the monastery. So everything you see in the main courtyard here are still very much the original layout, very same architecture. With a seamless blend of colonial ambience and the comfort and amenities of the 21st century, Hacienda Santa Cruz is the best hacienda turned hotel for you to stay while in Merida, Yucatan, Mexico. So make sure to check it out.